Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or hack the problem of Walmart. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about Walmart and you will click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.